What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit card replacement. Magkano nga ba yung replacement fee ng BPI credit card at saka yung process of replacement? Ano nga ba yung steps or hakbang para mapalitan yung BPI credit card ninyo? Pag-uusapan natin yan lahat sa vlog na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ito, to request a BPI credit card replacement, you must first permanently block the existing card through the BPI app or online banking. Pwede rin by calling the BPI contact center or by visiting a branch. So the thing here guys is, before nyo mapapalitan yung BPI credit card ninyo, it should be blocked first via BPI Online. So kung aware kayo guys sa BPI Online, ilalagin ninyo yung online banking ninyo. Pag in-online ninyo yung online banking application, nilagin ninyo yung account ninyo, malilink lahat ng accounts nyo doon, whether it's debit card or savings account and credit cards. Lahat-lahat ng accounts na meron kayo, kahit personal loan, malilink yan doon sa BPI Online. Basta lahat ng under your name. Then ngayon, if nawala yung credit card nyo, ninakaw, alam mo yun, you have to block it first before kayo makapag-request ng BPI credit card replacement. At take note lang guys, ito, magkano nga ba yung replacement fee ng BPI credit card? Nagkakahalaga po ito ng 400 pesos per credit card replacement. Again, yung BPI credit card replacement fee is 400 pesos. Then ngayon, balik tayo, you have to block it first. Then log in kayo sa BPI Online. So andito yung hakbang or mga paraan, steps for credit card replacement. You have the three options to report your card and request a replacement via BPI app or online banking. Recommended for lost and stolen cards. So kapag nawala ito or ninakaw, syempre ito ay confidential yung card number, expiry date, lahat-lahat ng card details ninyo sa BPI credit card nyo is confidential siya. So ngayon halimbawa nawala ito or ninakaw, it is recommended for you na ilagin nyo agad yung BPI account nyo sa BPI app or website. Siguro naman aware kayo guys na dapat i-enroll ninyo yung pangalan nyo sa BPI Online para ma-access mo lahat ng accounts mo sa BPI. Tulad nito, halimbawa nawala yung BPI credit card o ninakaw, malalak or mabablock nyo agad yung credit card na yun na ninakaw. Then pangalawa is select more. So pagka-login niyo sa BPI Online, click nyo yung more. Then pagka-click nyo ng more, di-display yung, hahanapin nyo sa nag-display yung card management. So under card management, select card control. Then pang-apat is expand the credit card section and select the settings option and the specific card. So kung meron kayong multiple credit cards, marami kayong papipilian doon. So syempre, yung pipiliin nyo guys is yung nawala lang na credit card or yung ninakaw. Then pang-lima is select permanently block. So after nito, since na permanently block na siya, pwede na kayo makapag-replace ng replacement. So you have to select first, of course, the reason why you are requesting for a permanently blocking your credit card. So choose the reason for the request. Example is lost or stolen. So halimbawa nawala or ninakaw. So i-select nyo lang siya guys. Then pang-pito is select the block and replace card option and confirm with your one-time PIN or mobile key. So ito na yung crucial part guys. So you have to block it na, then mag-replace na kayo ng panibagong credit card via one-time PIN. So kung ito guys, crucial part again, dapat alam niyo yung link mobile number sa BPI Online para makareceive kayo ng one-time PIN. Ngayon, si BPI app or BPI Online, pwede na rin kahit wala na yung one-time PIN, pwede na yung mobile key. So siguro naman aware kayo kung yung mobile key. Kung hindi nyo alam, may vlog din ako kung paano i-activate yung BPI Online mobile key. Search nyo lang sa YouTube guys, BPI Online Mobile Key Joseph Kate. Tapos makikita nyo yung itsura ko doon. So, yun yung steps para ma-enable yung BPI Online Key. Para hindi nyo na kailangan yung one-time PIN. Then, pwede rin naman guys via phone call. Call the 24-hour BPI Contact Center at 632-889-10000, Metro Manila, or 1-800-188-89100. Domestic toll-free for PLDT subscribers. So, free lang ito guys. Inform the representative that your card is lost, stolen, or compromised and you need replacement. So, ito yung parang convenient part na tumawag na lang kayo sa BPI Contact Center, then i-report ninyo na nawala o ninakaw yung credit card nyo. Then sila na yung magpa-process. Then i-deliver ito ngayon sa bahay ninyo. Then makikita nyo sa statement of account nyo sa credit card, may magre-reflect na 400 pesos for credit card replacement. Kahit naman sa BPI online kayo, ganun din yung mangyayari. Magre-reflect din yung 400 pesos na replacement fee. Then yan, regarding fees and deliveries, again, a card replacement fee of 400 pesos, nabanggit ko na ito kanina, generally applies for lost, stolen, or damaged cards. However, replacement due to bank-initiated reasons like fraud or specific card model updates might be free. So ngayon, kung sila yung nag-initiate, like for example, nagkaroon ng unauthorized transactions, so sila yung mag-initiate ng BPI credit card replacement at free lang yon. So ngayon, the delivery time is the card will be delivered within 3 to 5 banking days for addresses within Metro Manila, 7 to 10 banking days per provincial address. Once delivered, you will need to activate the new card before use. So of course, since bago na yung credit card, kailangan nyo siya i-activate ulit. Then ito guys, important notes. Security. BPI will never ask for your one-time PIN for online banking passwords via call, social media, or email links. So, crucial part din ito na hindi nanghihingi ang BPI customer service ng one-time PIN. Magkaiba yung one-time PIN sa T-PIN. Kasi yung T-PIN, guys, is minsan nangyayari yon kapag tumawag kayo. Tapos, hihingi nyo ni customer service. Ngayon, itong one-time PIN is iba yon. Yung T-PIN naman is kapag sinabi ng customer service na may darating na PIN, to T-PIN dapat yon, hindi one-time PIN. Klaro? So, ngayon, existing balances. Permanently blocked cards are not considered closed or canceled. Any remaining balance must still be settled to avoid late fees. So, same pa rin yun guys, kahit nagbago na yung credit card ninyo, yung existing balance nyo, kung magkano yun, malilipat lang yun sa panibagong credit card na pinalit. Then, card details. A replacement card for a lost or stolen card will have a new card number and expiry date. So, ito yung tatandaan nyo na kapag bago na yung credit card, magiging bago lahat. Of course, card number, expiry date, tsaka yung CVV. Dapat aware kayo dun. Baka kasi magulat kayo pagkadating bakit iba natatawag kayo ngayon at magrereklamo kayo. So, dapat alam nyo guys na that is normal. Once you requested for a BPI credit card replacement, bago na lahat yun. Bago yung card, bago yung numbers, bago lahat ng details. Para maprotektahan yung account ninyo sa unauthorized transactions. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!